thing I don't want to and share so and say eba abakwasem a what mean say most of the traditional areas wo ma abakwasem ni didi kwa asante diem anasa asante abakwasem ni edidi ko wo mu diem tie yesu ade pa tie enu nti bebre wo say Ken I say most of your videos relate to asantenkwa de binye ne sa be wadwem ne tie double thinkers, critical thinkers. Don't want to tea. Most of the traditional areas, send a bakwasem no. One year Santi Akonda, and I may be to Kobisi when Krum, a man Ghana Kwasante, and Asante Kotusha one so. Some way be, and I said they were allies with the Asantes, came together to fight a certain group of people, and I said one also joined a certain group of people. Different traditional area to go and fight the Asantes. It's Asante Abakwasem cut across about 90% of the traditional areas. Ghana. One thing that people refuse to get. What else? I will say every details that we talk about here is Asante. No, details a didiko biadim. Sana Asante Abakwasem. And so it's now ko PM bono na obi kan Abakwasem or and any Asante for in the year. Timiko sirem. You see, it's their history, Ediko Biadium. Edunti, Edemino by W0UNDS, the formerly Volta region, Rara, which is currently in the Uti region, Rara, a whole Aniabako D, young common, a district called Biakoye, to be precise, a whole Aniabebo, and so a Raniako. Now, Mikao said, the good news if you hobano, Efa, a Paimon chief Hong Kong, and it's good. Believe me, the news is beautiful. You're going to love everything. I just say, the last thing I want to talk about before we go, and it's Obu Honswa on him to her king history. Most of them, Asante. Some say the medical explain it earlier. No, Ebia one time, and then the last reason I'll give you because yet me tina eka a year and tokwa koswa bokono dearby. To meet Chichumu. Developing in any about Chichumu, who nim dintia, Bokon Tokwane cost Chichumu biatia says, so we near cost on Tokwasum, and you call Savannah, you call the northern region, the upper east, the upper west, you call the eastern region, you call the western region, you call most of the regions in Ghana, Echo Pair Bakwasem Hodum, if necessary, Naya the Ababa Shumo, I may be to me, I come now. Remember, we had the beautiful news at a free Rara. And so ever, the details is beautiful, and I'm sure you're going to love it. And I'm not him some more kaya cry, and yet my friend for and I want to share what is coming. Obu about what in baby, but in Chichi Munukra Winyana say ha, when you say this here, me more will be biased to me. Come on, after a decade-long wait, the Rara Traditional Council in the Biakoye district of the Uti region has finally installed a new paramount chief, Nana Yaosafu Ban the third, after 10 years. A command Rara Fache, which after 10 years, Omuni Mahine. No more Macom, no dear kind cop. Omako no more. Finally, Umati Mine. Jolly. So my cat Hanon would tear some. Next, I was some pennies and nails are backwasem you. Ubetiam waffles, you'll be thrown an by force. Aye, the entrance. Or seeing Tiuko PMO, a DOT, regionat Biakia district. Finally. Rarenya Mahine, I fell when Nana Yaosafu Ban a third. Bringing renewed sense of hope and unity. It's me in Kabumako Rarabio, Rarani Mupapa, and Kabumasako Hobim. And then Kabumunkwa. It's me the any daswo, Ako Rara Force. First now, o many daswo yahira. Ya, omo ya hopeless be in terms of someone the bedi. But finally, that problem is solved. Now, me to ask Ninti, is it the more I call for more details near there? Was it the installation ceremony brought together celebrations? By traditional rites. Omafia mania. Amania should to me also. Rara ene. Amania dear, they are traditional we be because. But Amania, I most of the time say fair parties, yes, in my hand, winning the coso. And a fair. It's me, my Phyllis eyes away reincarnated be. Because no matter cause no, who be the best, I say who be that. Me who be that. I say who be that. Nananom cows are quaba. Got I say, no, my pebintia. That could bet you was here. So, also, it was a cultural display in so called. There was also a cultural display. It me could pee and so, a rara high into nananom, and so it me the amamre. So, after the amaniano, amamre so, It may cause error. And also the presence of the traditional rulers and the residents from the area. It kronomano nananom esutimi pie and my BBI come support. I'm sure they really enjoy themselves here today. Also the Queen Mother of Rara Traditional Council Nana Abna Safowa Awrewa. Honestly, here day during the installation urged the newly installed chief Nana Safo Yaba the third to prioritize peace and development into the area. So when it comes to no me who pa or catch a yet Nana Safo Bam, my hin for our bar for our and Nana wa bay dear. Your best no me who here pair was or one, the Dikaya be two. Impuntu, crony here puntu. Aye, the same commander the audit. According to the Queen, the Rara Traditional Council has faced numerous challenges. No more so ma komu Nanahima. Nanahima rewa. Was it normal Rara for the past 10 years? No. Oma koja mu rough. I don't think many idea binti as you know. And normal Rara for the past 10 years. No. Nanahima so ma bre for the past 10 years. Mama trustworthy. For the past 10 years, without a paramount chief to guide them. So when it comes to leadership guidance, we being kind who don't deal with kwan we are. And I hear my share, oh my bro, because of so many binting, oh my bro, hey, all my constitutions move because they didn't have a leader to guide them. And why would him say, Krobia, my name, the development be a banner, shamabo? What I say, to my play, no money banner, a sound home, rather like no man be free. But finally, I'm happy. I'm so happy for Rara. I say she noted that it is now time for the people to come together under a leadership to foster peace and drive development initiative that will benefit all. Or see Kromano, Emenason, say we now back together. Now we promote you. We make sure South should be a because a warrior Rara. Now for development, Nanano Kojiba be bianso etimi akoso. So this is the developing story, beautiful story. If you Rara after 10 years, or metimi enya mahene, and so ewo Rara, I'm a bibia, and so etimi I come away any the beautiful details. I free a Rara, and so Basabro be say I can matis a Rara, or Mabakosem known to me detail somehow it related to Asante. Obi busa that question, right? When it be near what no? Yame bwechina, yame bwelrem. Me pile up. Now the details now about some Rara Wabakwasam. The other one went in pa. A dinty friend Rara, a binumunip. But Oma Bakwasam one casano, the one one edim. Tinyami Wetchna. I promise you, somebody no answer ever Baba Besumo. Yami Wetchna Bakwasam for the people of Rara, the beautiful side of Adia history. Minu Bedingra, Unia Kindi. Eddie Bura Uti, Yami Wetchna, best TSU to Hodoma. In case of any update, the best share the same channel. I'll see any video to my own side and shoot me come with the details of Rara in the Uti region. And do not forget, set or subscribe you don't have a boy at Domanism. And I'm a Domanism, I'll bet you all know. And any video to my phone to me a catch to say the video. And so at Munia Kindi, meaning within crowd. Let's share on our next video, my crowd.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also, the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know, say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free idea, but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng, K1ng will try pa.